everyone and welcome to Skill Up with Sheetal. So today we are going to see the biggest hiring of Amazon for the role of data associate. So for this we are going to see all the details regarding this job, and also we are going to apply for this job step by step. So stay tuned at last so you can get the clear idea about it. Okay, so what the description is, the whenever a customer visits Amazon and types in a query or browses through product categories, Amazon search services go to work. These all are the job descriptions or job details which they want to share with you. Okay, after that our vision is to create a business value by delivering high quality data at a scale. We look to provide easy and scalable labeling solutions to support search that are quality, cost efficient and secure. Okay, then what are the key job responsibilities? As a data associate IML, you will be responsible for providing timely and quality data annotation, and these are like job responsibilities which data associate going to do. Okay, so you can read all this by the link which I'm going to provide you in description. After that, now we are going to apply for the job, and the most important thing is this job is a work from home opportunity, so don't miss out this opportunity. After that, click on apply now, write your email address, click on continue. Then here you will go to the next page. So here you need to fill all the information that they want. The first name Sheetal, last name Kadam, put your email address there, put your mobile number, put your address, enter your city, enter your zip code or the postal code, whatever your city has. After that, select the country and the state. So in this way you have to select all the informations as shown in the screen. After that, you need to do save and continue. Okay, so here I'm putting all the details here. After that, click on save and continue. Now select, are you willing to relocate? Yes. Select your location, select how did you hear about this role, and specify the site. Now click on continue. Then select the experience if you have. Provide your current employer or your current company if you are experienced. Otherwise, put NA there, not applicable. Put your domain skills here, whatever skills you have. Like if you have some programming skills, you can put there. Data structures, if you have some integration skills, you can put there. In this way, put your all the skills that you know and click on continue. Here in the education section, select your education level as a graduate. Put your school name here. Like you can put your some of the letters from your name, from your school name, then it will automatically pop up there. You need to just select there. So here let me select some school, but you need to fill all these details very carefully because it is all validating, then only your form is going to shortlist. Okay, so don't do any mistake here. Okay, so select your area of study here, like what your branch you have. Select if you are currently student or not, select no, and then details like between 6 to 12 months or 12 months ago, and click on continue. Now, do you have a bachelor's degree? These are the job specific details which you need to select. After that, select yes, yes, yes. Here what is experience. If you have experience, you can select yes, otherwise no. Work eligibility, select no. Have you previously been employed at Amazon? No. Are you subject to non-competition? No. Do you need or will need future? No. Living in a currently physical located in a no. Select no here. It is no. Okay, got it. In which country region do you have citizenship? Select your country. India here. Since obtaining your most recent citizenship, did you afterwards become permanent resident? Include no, and click on continue here. After that, here you need to upload your resume here, which should be updated. It should have all the skills that you have. So select here resume and upload it. Now the 90% of work is done from our end. After that, click on save and continue. So here acknowledge the following by clicking there and click on continue. Select your gender. Okay, so now here there are some self checks that you need to select. Here no, and in this way when you complete all these details, you will see all the details here in one page. And now by reviewing all these details, you can click on submit application. Okay, so in this way you have submitted your applications. You will receive one page like thank you for applying your application for data. So in this way, if you want the daily job updates like this, subscribe this channel and comment down below if you have any queries about this. Thank you guys for watching this video.